my name is Brady. I'm from Mr. Harmon's 6-hour class, and I made this cool plow truck off of Tinkercad. Used a cylinder and some squares to make the little distributor, and then the box to hold the salt.
And Austin back with another video.
Yo,
he
what's
showed
up?
us how to make this, but my flower goes like this. Adjust it. Yes.
Well, I'm going a lot faster that time.
Beautiful.
And I did this. Come on.
Oh yeah. Oh, what the heck?
Alright guys, I figured out how to destroy that wall using the ball that I just showed you. And I push play, and you can see the ball comes down, and it just obliterates the wall.
Arhianna from Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class, and this is my first project on Tinkercad. And it's a unicorn that I made, and using the video from HLModTech on YouTube. Bye.
Hi, I'm Drake. Hi, I'm Theo.
And I'm Joe, and today we've made a top, and our goal for this top is to beat the best record of 1 minute and 28 seconds.
I created this banana from Mario Brothers. Staying over here.
Hi everyone, I'm Mackenzie and I am in Mr. Harmon's 4th hour class. Today I'm going to be showing you this cool sign I made.
Guys, I made a city out of the skyscraper stuff from Mr. Harmon's video.
In 5th hour mod tech took the snake game that Mr. Harmon made and made an etch a sketch out of it.
Helen, I'm in Mr. Harmon's 6th hour, and I made a Finch remote, and I made many speaking sentences. One is the oof button, and a surprise sentence with an egg joke.
I like to sing opera, but I can't because my voice will crack like an egg. Ha ha ha.
This is Baylin from Mr. Harmon's 1st hour. He told us to make this. It's only like a 4-minute process. I decided to build this.
Show off, big girl. Are you ready to show off?
Good job, Baylin. Thumbs up. All right.